this meet is crazy right now. Everyone is just right here. They're doing shopping cart races. I love the carbon fiber 3-piece wheels. Look at the seal on it. Have you seen when I floated and the cop was What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It feels weird holding the camera. I haven't freaking vlogged in a minute, but today we have a BMW. It's almost done, but the thing is we have a couple issues with the door. It's not smooth. He went to a body shop and they didn't sand it down, so I can't wrap it until we do the bumper and the door and the bumper in the back. But we're only gonna come to the same body shop so we can sand it down properly. But check this car out. We have a bagged, wide-body Vortex supercharged Mustang, pushing almost 1,000 horsepower, E85 and everything. This car is insane. We are rewrapping the whole front end, so we're gonna unwrap this. We already unwrapped all that right here. So we're gonna work on this car, but let me go take some pictures and let you guys know the story behind this car. But for now, let's move all these cars around so I can take this car and go take some pictures. Here at the spot that I always take pictures at, right down the street from my house. I'm gonna take pictures for the Instagram and a couple videos, but listen to this thing, guys. I'm gonna just keep the camera right here. This thing sounds beautiful. You don't even understand, like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Well, let me take a couple pictures, take it back to the house, put you guys on time lapse, and after we're done wrapping it today, I'm gonna come back to the same spot and give you guys a montage of the full thing after it's fully wrapped. Good morning, you guys. We just finished working on the Mustang right now. So we did the front bumper, the wide body kit, the 2 fenders. But check it out, we're basically done with this car. We're gonna take it off the jack. I mean, not the jack. We're gonna take it off the Rams. I'm gonna go to the car wash. We're gonna give it a good car wash. I'm gonna take it to the area that I take pictures at. I'm gonna give you guys a little montage of this car is done. And we have a new car coming in today. This one is also gonna be sick. The color we're doing on this car is gonna be, you guys are gonna love it. Just wait and see the color we're gonna do on that car. Now we just gotta move all these cars around to get this car out of the garage and get today's video going. All right, so we just finished up this car. Now check it out, guys. Listen to this thing, man. It sounds so good. It sounds so good. What is up, you guys? So today there's 2 car meets. They're both 5 minutes away from my house, which is crazy because usually car meets are in Anaheim or like IE. They're always like 25-30 minutes away from my house. But tonight there's 2 car meets. One is like a famous celebrity that is hosting it with like a lot of crazy cars. He's doing a meet and greet there, and it's a City of Industry. And the other one that's like the regular everyday car meets are also hosting a City of Industry. So we're gonna go to the first one, which is the regular car meet. Once the cops, because those get shut down quickly. Once the cops get there, we're gonna go to the other one because the other one is permitted and it's not gonna get shut down. Then we can check out all the GTRs, and I saw a bunch of crazy cars on their story. But right now, my car is so dirty. Let me show you guys how dirty my car is. I've been in the car wash line for 45 minutes, but look at this. It's super dirty. And that's because, like, look at the whole top. That's because I always park it outside, and it rained. It's August right now, and it rained the other day. It didn't even like hard rain, it sprinkled rain. That's why there's like dots of dirt, but it's not really fully like clean, and it's not really dirty. Like if it rained hard, it would have washed it, but it didn't rain hard enough at the same time. It wasn't dry. So now I have to wash the car, but there's a long ass line. Like I've been here for 45 minutes, actually about to be an hour now, because I came here 9:27. And there's still another car in front of me, and another car is just barely going in right now. So I'm about to be here for over an hour just to wash my car. If I would have known that, I would have probably just washed it at home with a hose or something. Oh, we're gonna hit them.
Yeah, we are.
Let's see. We're gonna make it. I need to make a subscription in another car wash because I do have a monthly subscription. I do have a monthly subscription here. That's why I always come here, but this, like, I think everyone else has monthly subscriptions here. The line gets so long. I'm tired of that line. I need to go find another car wash to get a monthly subscription at. Bro, I just got here with the meet. We got Matt with the Quiet. We have the C6, my C8, Martins, the one that I wrapped out of week, Mustang. Bro, this meet is crazy right now. Everyone is just right here. They're doing shopping cart races. So someone is sitting on the shopping cart, the other person is pushing him, and the winner gets some free food and some stuff. And they're doing tug war and a bunch of other stuff.
All them niggas.
We might be leaving like in like 5 minutes to go to the other place and check out the cars over there and show you guys the cars, because there's not a lot of crazy cars here. It's packed, but all the cars are like not crazy cars, so it's kind of boring. What's going on, man? Yeah, that dog looks like he's gonna eat someone, right? I swear.
That boy don't drop that, what the fuck? Hey, that's so cheap.
That's so funny. We're the lizard, bro. We're the lizard. Alright, cops came. We're going to the other meet right now. Man. Have you seen when I floored it and the cop was
Big. That was my first gear.
Bro, did you see the cop?
Real quick.
Did you see the cop?
Yeah.
He put his high beam on and he put it on me. I was like, what? I didn't see him, bro. I got so scared. Oh, is that the new Z?
Yeah.
Oh shit. First time seeing one in person. Yeah, it is the new Z. God damn.
That was nice. Is that a rapper paint?
That's I think, oh yeah, it's OEM paint, yeah. OEM paint.
Yes.
It's clean though. First time seeing it. It's so dark. I wish it was brighter so I could show you guys a Z.
I got you right here.
Alright, double flash. We got Matt the shooter.
What's
Look at
happening?
the paint.
That little sparkle.
Yeah, it has a little sparkly paint to it. Alright, we're probably gonna get kicked out because what we did right now. We almost ruined the
They
whole
don't know what we look like.
So let's wait, another Z. What the There's another Z here today. Oh my god. Am I like late on this? Why are there so many Z's today? Alright, let's go see what the actual meat looks like. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, I'll show my miss. Is that R32? Yeah, 32, huh? And that's another R. That's an R33, I think. What? Oh my god, and 2 more Z's. At least now we can see them in the light. Wait, not 2, 3. 3 more Z's. Let's see. Okay. one with the carbon hood. How did people already get them and start modifying them already? But this one is loose. Yeah. That's crazy. That's hella JGM tonight. So a couple of these RX-7s, GTRs. Oh, there's a Chiron. There's a whole Chiron here. Look at the Chiron, bro. So clean. Porsche. Is that a SD or just a Aventador? Ah, just an Aventador. Still nice. Is that ceramic brake?
What color's your Bugatti?
What color is your Bugatti? Damn, look at the wheels. I like the color of the wheels. You have the same wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I love it. Let's check out the engine.
Oh, your wheels are cool.
What do you think of the two-tone blue?
Huh?
Two-tone blue?
Is it?
Yeah, it's two blue.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I thought it was just black.
Nah, two-tone blue. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about the color. If I have a Bugatti, I have a Bugatti. It don't matter. We're gonna see it now. We're gonna go inside to see what's inside. Oh, it's so bright here, finally. Ooh, where's your camera, bro? Where's your camera? Oh my god. Where's your camera? Bro, look at the freaking GTR though.
Is he here or is he?
Oh, all the Liberty Walls there.
Yeah.
So that's where they reside? Look at that one. Fully on the floor. I love the carbon fiber 3-piece wheel. Oh, that's crazy. Rohana wheels. With the Rohana wheels, man.
Nuts.
I know, this one is crazy. Carbon fiber 3-piece wheels.
The wheels, yes.
Carbon fiber 3-piece, bro. Look at that.
Look at that barrel.
Look at that.
That's deep. I can
That's
eat
what she
dinner.
said.
I can eat dinner.
Another one. And that's the known one. We all know that one. But check that one out. That one you've seen on the vlog multiple times. The Liberty Walk one. Also, carbon fiber wheels. You already know. With the Liberty Walk kit and the wrap. But that one is new. I've never seen that one before. So let's go check that one out.
How much do you think those wheels are?
Those wheels?
3-piece carbon.
20, 35. 35K.
Really?
I mean, the GT500 wheels, 20K option from factory, so that one has to be at least like aftermarket, a little bit cheaper, but it's also 3-piece. I'll say 35. Wait, oh, that's him.
Whoa.
Oh, that's him. He's signing his card. That's the thing.
Oh,
That's his meet and greet.
oh shit.
See, we got to see him without. Alright, before my battery dies, I have 1 minute left. Look at this wrap. Wait, what's that cartoon character called? Matt. What's that cartoon character called?
Huh?
What's that cartoon character called?
That's Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
Which wide body kit do you guys prefer? Look at this one. Look how this one, like you can see the body line of that one, how it curves in right here, and it does the same thing in the tail in the back. It comes out and it curves right here. I love that one. I think that one is my favorite probably. But let me know in the comments. So there's that one. And this one, which it looks like doesn't look like it's wide body, it looks like it's rolled, fender roll. Then you have that one, which is like the basic wide body kit with the drills with the rivets. I like the other one also because you can't see it's like blended in. You can't even see that it's wide body. You can't see the holes and everything. So there's that wide body kit, and I think that's it. I think that one is the same as that one, except yeah, I think those two kits are the same. Except that one has a little indent right here and the vents in the front. This one has no vents in the front, like those louvered fenders in the front. This one has no louvered fenders and it doesn't have that vent over there. Let me know which one in the comment. Red, black, or white. Which wide body kit do you guys like the most? Apparently this shop also does, like, this shop is for wraps, PPFs, installs. But look at this car. Maybe future space customs, you never know. Maybe that's the vision. And they own that Chiron over there. I just confirmed with them.